What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving. Nothing says Thanksgiving like America, number one. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I'm in shorts, but we are going to do Happy Turkey Day cold start. Not super cold, but it's cold enough. Cold start, nothing like it. Cold start. But anyway, guys, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you're all having a great day. I'm gonna sit in the truck for a minute, try to get a little bit warm. Whew. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your vehicles, enjoying your day. If you don't have off, hopefully you get off early, spend time with your families and all. Truck starts up good, sounds good. Not super cold, so yeah. But got videos coming up of stuff I've done through the truck and all that good stuff. Yeah, I got a little bit of a cold. And I'm out here in shorts and t-shirt and 40 something. Really, that was smart. Got other stuff I'm gonna do to the truck. Of course, I got something coming for this that I want to try out. This is nice. I like it. But I want to try something. I got something a little different I haven't tried before. Still got to fix, what's that in there, I guess. Gotta do some more videos with the dash cam. Haven't done that in a little while. Still gotta fix this piece. I've got the replacement, just haven't had a chance to put it in. Because when you do that, you've got to disconnect the battery and let it drain. So I just haven't had time to get to that. Looking at some different upfitter switches, looking at some different pod lights. I got some winter tips and trick videos to do. Again, plus we might be getting some snow next Wednesday. So yeah, as you can see, everything on the truck's running good. Let me turn all that up. Got to recalculate the mileage because I've changed something on it, which I'll do a video on that. But everything's good. Oil pressure's good. Engine temp, of course, is cold. Love the sound of this truck. Smooth as butter. So yeah, no issues. Heat works good. Got some more videos due to pedal commander as well. I guess I'll turn this up because tomorrow is going to be nice and cold. These things are alright, but I gotta find something better. I guess I'll have to go with the GM ones because they come off too easy, and plus I'm gonna do a different cover anyway. Plus they don't make them for these and all. but it is what it is. Yeah, so anyway guys, voltage is good. Of course you can see all that. 650 RPMs. Do have another video I'm going to do on another thing I'm going to put on. I've almost run this intake for about a week, so I'll show you the intake and all. I got a video coming up on what intake I chose. Windshield's still looking pretty good except for some leaves. Comes right off. Whoop. Yeah. Got more reviews to do and stuff, so definitely stay tuned guys. A little cold, so shaking the camera. I don't have my head mount on, but yeah. Gotta change my seat covers. I gotta wash these, but plenty more to do. Maybe some more stuff on the exhaust as well, we'll see. Anyway guys, remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, hit notifications. Once we hit 100, doing a free giveaway. So again, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy today guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.